Hey, here we go.
Ooh,
All right. So,
you're in an Azure directory. Very
well,
exciting.
that's neither here nor there, right? If you're familiar with TerraGoat, you'll see that I'm in. Well, like Mike, we all have our personal versions of TerraGoat that are cut and chopped and changed, and so I'm in the Azure directory, and there's my stuff. And so the standard checkoff here would be -d dot, and let's say I'm impatient, so I'm going to use quiet and compact, right? I'm just going to let it go. And it should be pretty quick, I believe, and you'll see a flash of beautiful colors that will cross the screen in a second. Fantastic. All right, so this is the standard checkoff. And I went with compact because it's TerraGoat. So there's like, how bad is this?
Millions of
Holy
problems.
moly.
Yeah, if you've not used the new version of Checkov recently, you might be familiar with Quiet, but -- compact stops the inline kind of code segments being displayed on the screen. So it's pretty useful for parsing output.
Pretty awesome when you have a baseline.
Right.
But when you don't, can go off the top of your screen. And so this is kind of information is unretrievable. I updated Checkov before this, like just before we started, and I'm behind already.
The joys of a truly automated CI/CD pipeline.
Ah, come on. So yeah, that's where we are. And so if for me, if this is a mature environment, this is running in Azure, obviously this would be a terribly insecure mature environment, but just for the sake of argument, right?
I'm sure they exist.
Yeah, let's say. And I thought, okay, so I'm going to do create baseline. And that's the only additional feature I'm going to run. So my first run in my new environment, I'm still going to get all these results, but I'm also going to say, all right, well, but this is where I want to draw a line in the sand. So now it's brighter for me than it is on the share. But if I do that, you'll see it's now created in this directory a .checkout.baseline. So that's kind of cool. And then the easiest way to do this is to use baseline now. So I know it's there. So yeah, there it is. We give it one more go. And if it finds anything that has been flagged, almost like an auto suppress kind of thing.
Nice.
And nothing to see, right?
Right.
We can take a look what the baseline looks like and see the way it's just JSON. It's broken down by file, by resource, and by check IDs.
Yep.
So not bad. It's pretty easy to manipulate. And if you want to, I've been playing with use cases on this a little bit. And so say, for example, I am responsible for roles, for example. I could just go, nope, I don't actually want you on my baseline because that's what I'm working on today. Then we run again. Now roles is gone, but I think that to me, that's important. So there we go. So now I've only got one thing wrong with my roles. It's there. Not too bad. And I might actually remove the compact now because I can digest that. It's not going to overwhelm me with stuff.
It's not gonna go past your iTerm buffer scrollback.
Right. So much easier
Very
now.
cool.